Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make Chicken Longganisa Patties. And here are the ingredients. 4 pounds of chicken thighs, deboned but with the skin intact. 1 1/4 cup brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 1/2 cup of water, and some cooking oil spray. We're going to start by cutting up the chicken into small 1-inch pieces. We're going to place the meat in the freezer for about 2 hours. Then we're going to grind the meat and place it in a non-reactive bowl. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix the brown sugar, paprika, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and garlic powder. Now we're going to mix in the cornstarch and the water and make a slurry. Now we're going to add the slurry to the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to add the mixture to the meat and mix well. Now we're going to place the meat in the refrigerator overnight. We're going to heat up an electric griddle to about 350 degrees and coat it with cooking spray. We're going to add scoops of the meat using an ice cream scoop. Now we're going to smash the meat using a spatula. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to turn over the patties. We're going to cook the patties until the internal temperature reaches 180 degrees. So there you have it, my recipe for chicken longanisa patties. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.